I think Jamaican dancehall artists them are the most entitled and grateful set of people on this earth. Me not like them. Me not par with no artist. Zane, me's no best friend with no DJ.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
I think Jamaican dancehall artists them are the most entitled and grateful set of people on this earth. Me not like them. Me not par with no artist. Zane, me's no best friend with no DJ.
Hey people, this is Ariane. She is a representative and a host on the Fix podcast. And I'm telling you, I saw an interview with Ariane and Skatta, and the level of biasness that she exhibit, it was distasteful. Ariane, is there a bad vibe between you and Popcorn? Is there a question sign hanging over? Did Popcorn do something to you? Because it's evident in this interview that there is some rift between you and Popcorn because of how negative you were towards him. I would have felt that a person who is doing this interview would have been neutral, but you were just there kissing Skatta's ass when Skatta talking a whole bag of shit. Anyhow, let's move on to Skatta. You all saw the first video that I played. Let's talk about it. Skatta, at the beginning, me play a video with you on the Fix saying that you don't like no artist and you don't want no friend for no artist. So why are you in that profession? Are the people that are making money, you know? And I would want everybody who watched this video to tag or at your favorite artist in the comment section. Make sure so them see. Say Skatta say him no like none of them. So any kind of altercation or misunderstanding with Skatta will probably pull them under the stage, disrespect them, or even kill them. And let me say so, a Skatta. Again. Wait. Skatta. You remember say before you look how you look, you really go work out and get yourself together. So how you depend a public platform of fat shame law boss? Again, it shows your character, Skatta. Skatta, your company Fix. Why can be a badness here come promote? Why is it that everything that you're trying to promote on the Fix is you being a bad man and want to push badness? We all thought you would have come on the Fix and apologize to the Patreons and the fans of Freedom Street for how you behaved. Remember, you know, I used to see one just up on the Fix, you know, when you had that mic in your hand, the power you felt, and the more power you feel, you hold on to the mic tighter. What? So you feel powerful that you disrespect the man for the show. You no can't fool people one time, you know, or sometime, you know, but no can't fool people all the time, you know. Skatta, we know say Vybz Kartel no sign no contract with Uno. We know say Uno sign a contract with Vybz Kartel. Unless people blind and not see what go on. Because what Vybz Kartel did was use you for the production team based on the fact that he knows running with the law and based on what him normally doing 13 years ago. Him can't go through that. So what him do? Sign a contract with him using Uno to do that the part there. So him show wouldn't get turned off prematurely. Which they still came and do it. I mean, even though we have pulled on them stop it. We've seen how many different stage show in the National Stadium and none of them never turn off like that. Imagine the man didn't even get to thank everybody. The man have to just say, yo, what is under my nose? I'm out and come off. Because at the end of the day, he understands the principle now that he has grown with and changes. He might say, you know what, I'm not going to do this with you now. I'm a mature man now. I'm bigger than how I used to be before I went to prison. Skatta, you want fish down, man. You want man, if the man bad come, left all 100 man and come face you, one and what happen. Badness your company fix and promote. Badness. But there is one thing you said, as me say, you can fool the people sometime, but you can't fool the people all the time. If you give somebody 100 ticket, you should be able to facilitate 100 persons. How is it that you give a man 100 ticket and when he bring 100 person, you have a problem with it? Make that make sense. However, if you had said, I gave Popcorn 100 ticket for different tier, meaning I gave him 10 for backstage, and then for different part of the venue, it is split up. Then that would have make sense. So a Popcorn would have come, a call would have make to Popcorn and say, Popcorn, you want 100 ticket, we can get 100 ticket, but we can't have 100 people backstage. So we go give you a few tickets for backstage, some for this, some for that. You go have a penny. So Popcorn would have dispersed the 100 people in care come into different section of the National Stadium. People not fooling on. No go on like gonna take people for fooling on. No, when I make it look like, or you make it look like, say the money where Popcorn asked on for some face, you stated that he could pay all the artists. I don't believe Popcorn that wicked. I don't believe that cheap. That the money where Popcorn asks for would have paid every artist for some face. Boy, I tell you, boy. You're ridiculous, Skatta. Skatta, you're full of shit like a crab, man. That be a foolishness you come with. Be a foolishness you come with and try to paint a picture. Skatta, you say, I know first people tell about your mother. People always tell about your mother. How this I want to burn you, sir? Why this I want to, or is it because of Popcorn and the question sign was there? Why this I want to burn you, sir? Why you never walk away and left it be? Is it because him disrespect you and Aishana is there? Or what? What kind of ego you have? I want to get into you, Skatta. Why you behave the way you behave? And behave like you're a god. You feel powerful holding on to a mic.